My name is Gloria. I live in Pennsylvania, and I heard about LeafGuard through lots of commercials, and I might have seen it on Facebook too. So why did I do this? Well, okay, here's the thing. We've been in our house. My husband and I have been married for 44 years. Yes, I'm an old person. We have been in this house. We built this house 34 years ago. And about 30 years ago, we put another system on. It was a series that went over the brand new gutters with the idea that we wouldn't have to climb ladders and clear gutters. So last year or 2 years ago, a lot of storms, some of those pieces came off and we reattached the ones we could find, but we found a lot of debris in the gutters. And then in the spring, even though I love birds and have bird houses, we had birds nesting in two sections of the gutter, which is not where the birds should be. So when all that was done, we decided to go with a system that would be permanent and give us security. And my husband likes to say forever, so that for many years to come, didn't have to worry about it. The salesman was very good, very efficient, on time, gave us all the specs. I did some research beforehand. We decided to go with new gutters as well as the gutter guard based on the age of the gutters and research, so they'd long last. We went with slightly larger gutters because I've seen overflow in really bad storms and I wanted to take care of that. The team that came out to do it, they came on time. They were polite, they were efficient, they hauled away all the trash. They did a great job. Then afterwards, we saw one small leak. They came back immediately. They siliconed it. We've had two big storms. Problem done.